One of the privileges of my role as the Assembly Member for Ceredigion is that I represent the fine town of Cardigan, Aberteifi. The name Aberteifi derives from its location on the banks of the majestic River Teifi. Its English name reflects an anglicisation of Ceredigion, Gwlad Ceredig, Ceredig's land, one-time king of Ceredigion. Many centuries later, it was the 7th Earl of Cardigan who led the charge of the Light Brigade in the Crimean War, who gave the name of Cardigan to a garment worn by soldiers in that war, now worn by all. Tomorrow, the town of Cardigan will be officially renamed Jumper. It'll do so in the Christmas spirit, but also to raise awareness and funds for Save the Children's Wear a Woolly Christmas Jumper campaign. Cardigan will become Jumper. A giant Christmas jumper will be unveiled by the town mayor of Jumper. Jumper school children will wear Christmas jumpers. Jumper Rugby Club will train in jumpers. And sheep in fields surrounding Jumper will wear woolly jumpers. I will be the Assembly Member for Jumper. I could have worn a Christmas jumper for this statement, but I chose not to run the risk of being thrown out by the Deputy Presiding Officer for unparliamentary attire. I have no doubt that the people of Jumper will have a fabulous time replacing their cardigans with jumpers. However, it is being done for a serious purpose, to remind us all that many, many children in our country and in our world will not have a fabulous Christmas, and that we need to continue to work to change that.